Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, we are going to create a beautiful, vibrant dot mandala with traditional technique and brush strokes. Let's get started now. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. I'll keep some parrot green dots. I'll keep some tiny dots in green. I'll keep some cream yellow dots now. I'll keep some dots in yellow now. Now I'll keep some dots in magenta. I'll keep tiny dots in magenta. Now I'll draw this diamond shape using this mirror. I'm going to fill this diamond shape with white. I'll use this dotting tool to make a proper diamond shape here. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll walk the dots halfway through the diamond shape now. I'll keep some brush strokes now. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in yellow now. Now I'll keep some brush strokes in magenta. I'll keep two more side swipes in yellow using brush. Now using this mirror, I'm going to draw a teardrop shape in all these grids here. I'll keep some straight swipes in green now. I'll make these plumpy dots into swipes now. I drew some teardrop shapes here and I'm going to fill it with white as I did for the diamond shape here. I'll fill the paint into that shape. Now I'll keep some white dots. I'll work the dots in white now. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll work the dots in green. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in yellow using brush. Now I'll keep 2 more side swipes in magenta. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll keep some straight swipes in yellow. I'll keep a dot and make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll keep some green dots now. I'll work the dots in green. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in yellow now. I'll keep some magenta dots now. I'll work the dots in magenta now. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in green using brush. Now I'll keep 2 more side swipes in magenta using brush. Now I'll keep 2 more side swipes in yellow using brush. I'll keep some green dots now. I'm going to keep some straight swipes in green. I'll keep a plumpy dot and make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'm sure this dot mandala with lot of swooshes came out really well. It looks vibrant too. Thank you for watching this video.